Hello students, in this program we will see how pass by reference works. But before going to towards this program, you need to understand what is meant by pass by value. So if you don't know how pass by value works, go to my previous video which is pass by value, and then listen this video for better understanding. So this is our program for call by value or pass by reference, where values will not be changed after calling that particular change function. Values of a and b remains the same because the memory for this a and b is different, and the memory for this x and y will be different. What happens inside memory in call by value? The a and b allocates the separate memory, and x and y allocates the separate memory. So whatever the changes are inside this change function will reflect only on this x variable and this y variable, and these changed effects will not be reflected inside this AB memory. So after getting inside the main function, we will see the AB values are same, which are original 10 and 20. This updated effect we will not see inside this A and B memory. So this is the concept of call by value. Now if I want this changed effect inside this A and B variable, so we need to pass these values by a reference and not by value. So we are passing their reference and not their values. In this program, we are not passing the value of A and value of B. Instead of passing the values, we are passing their references. So what happens inside call by reference? So if I want to change this program from pass by value to pass by reference, I need to change some code here. I am passing the reference of A and reference of B to this change function. So here again we need to write the keyword ref. Now what happened? See, if I run this program, what is the output? We will check. Now this is the concept of pass by reference. Now I am getting the output as before calling function a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and after calling function a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 21. Means here the values are changing here. The change function updation result reflected here inside a and b variable. So how it works we will see by debugging line by line. Now I am putting breakpoint at this first line and I am running this program. Now what happens? See, I am pressing function key F11. Then here A becomes 10. Now B becomes 20 inside memory. Then I am calling this change function, and here I am calling this function by passing the reference of A and passing the reference of B instead of passing the values of A and B. Now what happens? Control goes to the respective definition. Now x and y scopes will be started here. Now here my x refers to the A actually, A variable, and my y refers to the B variable. Means here there is no any separate memory, and my x pointing towards the memory of A and my y pointing towards the memory of B. Means x refers the same memory of A and y refers to the same memory of B, and there is no any new memory allocation for this x and y. How this works here we see inside call by reference or pass by reference. This x will not be allocated separate memory as we see here. This x and y allocate separate memory in call by value concept or pass by reference. In pass by value concept here, x and y allocate separate memory, but in pass by reference there is no any separate memory for this x and separate memory for this y, but instead of allocating separate memory, the x refers to the same memory of A and y refers to the same memory of B. Means if I change the x, then same changes will be reflected inside this memory, which is the A's memory. If I change the value of y, then it changes the value of this memory, which is stored inside this memory. So here we see what is the effect. If I'm again going to forward by pressing the F11, I'm changing the x value, so I'm getting the 11 as in a locals window, then I'm changing the 21. So here if I change the x value, same memory will be changed. Here on that memory 11 will be there now inside A's memory, or inside this memory the effect will be seen. See here. Then if I change the value of y, then here this memory will be changed, and inside this memory now 21 is there. Now if I press the F11 function key again we go towards the main function and see the A value will be changed and B value has been changed. A value, the value of A has been changed and the value of B has been changed here. So if we go towards next, change the effect I'm getting here. So this is the concept of pass by reference. Here we are passing the reference of A and reference of B instead of passing the values of A and value of B. So here my x refer to the A's memory and my y refers to the B. So the memory of A and x is same and the memory of B and y is the same. But scope of AB is again inside this main only, and scope of this x and y inside this change function only. So this is the concept of pass by reference. Thank you.